Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel. Today's discussions is integration dilogarithm problem. So friends, you see that 0 to 1 ln x li 2 x square plus 1 plus x square divided by x into dx. So how can I solve this kind of problem? This kind of problem is very tough. Yeah, we think that, but it is not tough. Let's please follow my work. Let t tends to x square plus 1 plus x square, just substitutions. Okay, this video is helpful for beginners because beginners can understand who cannot understand this kind of integration. I just try to explain details. Okay, so obviously it is x square, so it is x square. So whatever I get, just derivative differentiations, so it is dt divided by 1 minus t whole square. So it is 1. Okay, and 1 plus 1 minus t derivative of t is equal to 1, and minus 1 minus minus, so it is plus 1. So it is my, okay, wait, I am doing differentiations. Yeah, okay. So how can I differentiate this is the, so at first it is 1 minus t. Okay, so if I differentiated this, and next is minus, and minus minus plus. Okay, so t is also multiply, and minus minus plus, so into dt is equal to x square. So t cut, so 1 divided dt, so it is 2x dx. So it is x dx value. Okay, so now it is x dx. Now in according to questions, dx by x is my given. So if dx by x, how can I get? So I multiply x, it is x square. So x square is equal to, what is my value of x square? X square is equal to t into 1 minus t. So I can write dt into divided by 2 into 1 minus t, and x square is equal to t into 1 minus t into x. So 1 minus t whole square, so it is cut, and t is divisible. So I get dt into 2 into t into 1 minus t, that is dx. Okay, so dx value I get, so I get dx by x, sorry, I get dx by x. So I am just putting in here. So whatever I get, if I put the limit value is, what is my limit value? My limit value is x square, when x square is equal to 1. Okay, no problem. When 0, then it is, okay, when x is equal to 0, then t is equal to 0. So it is 0. When x is equal to 1, then t is equal to 1 1, just putting that this, so t is equal to half. Okay, so limit is this way, and ln value is t divided by 1 minus t. Okay, So it is Li2 to t and to t into 1 minus t dt. So this is my, and half is multiply, so it is 1 by 4, okay, because as the logarithm value, so log x square, not x square, x log x is equal to half into, this is the root over, so it is 1 by 4 for the logarithm. Hope substitutions is clear for everyone. Now I erase this portion because that is very helpful. Please write everything and pause and write everything, because I remove these portions. This portion is not looking very good. Okay, so this way I get. So let's start to solve this 1 by 4. Okay, so 1 by 4, and I use IBP. So IBP, so this is the, when I use IBP, then I Li2t, I took it is as a V, okay, and this portion total is U. So whatever I get very simple, that it is half into ln square x divided by 1 minus x. Okay, so if I take it t minus 1 minus t is equal to z, then I get this value dz is equal to, so and li2 t, yeah, so it is 0 to half. Okay, I hope that you don't that you have understood that this portion, because the formula is u into v dx minus integration du divided by dx into v dx. Okay, so in here this is the IBP formula. So this IBP formula I used in here. When I used IBP formula in here, so I get x is very simple, du by dx you get by the dilogarithm du by dx, means log 1 minus x divided by x. Okay, so this is the formula, so you can easily get. So I can write in here that half minus half, okay, half into 0 to half ln square x divided by 1 minus x and log of 1 minus x divided by x, because ddx of li2 x is equal to minus log 1 minus x divided by x, and this is the integration. This integration, you know, very simple, very that ln t minus 1 minus t into t into 1 minus t, very simple integrations. Okay, so I hope for understanding. So just putting this value, so it is half. If I put in here, so what is the value is li2 half, but I get it is 0. Okay, because half into half minus half is equal to 0, so this portion is cut, so it is 0 value if I put in the upper limit. So I get half into 0 to half ln square x divided by 1 minus x into log 1 minus x divided by x dx. Okay friends, very clear, very easy. So now friends, whatever we get it is the take x into x divided by 1 minus x as a t. Okay, take x divided by 1 minus x equal to t. So whatever I get minus half 0 to 1 ln square t, again I write ln square t into ln, okay, putting the value is as this value, so ln 1 plus x divided by 1 plus t divided by 1 plus t. Okay, so into t. Simple substitutions friends, just using the differentiation, so you get this value is it, so t into 1 minus t into dt. Okay, this is my value. Now ln square, I just using partial fraction, so whatever I get I can get, okay, it is minus half, okay, minus half, so minus half 0 to 1, okay, minus half 0 to 1 ln square x ln square t ln 1 plus t divided by t dt plus 0 to 1 ln square t divided by 1 plus t dt. Okay, I hope it is you can understand. Now that I have already proved in my channel these values. What is these values? This value is equal to 7 pi to the power 4. This value is equal to 7 pi to the power 4 divided by 360. Okay, another value is, second value I have already discussed, that this value we know that this value is already I have discussed in my channel. Okay, how to solve this kind of problem. So I will also show that this all the value. So let's write it. It is a it is a b. So equal to 0 to 1 ln square t ln ln 1 plus t divided by, so this value is equal to this value. How can I write this value? I can write this way, minus summation n equals to 0 to infinity. Okay, and we know using the formula 1 minus 1 to the power n 0 to 1 x to the power n ln square t dt. Okay, ln square t by ln square x dx. Okay, no problem. So x to the power n ln square x, so how can I write this? I can write this value is equal to minus 2 So friends, summation n equals to 0 to infinity minus 1 to the power n divided by n x to the power n square x. So this value is summation n equals to 0 to infinity. So this value we get, so we can write this value is minus 1 to the power n, and it is n to the power 4. How it is, friends? Because x to the power n in the integration double derivative of the x to the power n. So this value is equals to, okay, n plus 1. Obviously this is the obviously n plus 1. So n equals to not 0, n equals to 1 ln square ln 1 plus 2, okay, ln. So the formula is minus, okay, x to the power n minus 1 I have written, okay. So it is n equals to 1. So I can write n equals to 1, x to the power n minus 1 ln square x is equal to minus 1 to the power n to the power 4. Okay friends, so I hope it is clear that value is equal to, so 2 eta 4 and b, so 0 to 1 1 plus t dt. So friends, this value can be written as, we know that ln 1 plus t, ln 1 plus t divided by 1 plus t can be written as summation n equals to 1 minus infinity hn minus 1 to the power n hn 0 to 1 x to the power n ln square x. Okay, this is the simple formula, friends. How? Because you know this formula is the basic formula. Ln 1 plus t divided by 1 plus t is equal to summation 1 minus 1 n equals to 1 to n hn x to the power n is equal to ln 1 plus t divided by 1 plus t. Okay, so this formula I used, and now we can write this way: minus 2 into summation n equals to 1 to infinity minus 1 to the power n hn divided by n plus 1 whole cube. So this value, so hn is equal to hn plus 1, so I can write minus 2 summation n equals to 1 to infinity minus 1 to the power n hn plus 1 divided by 1 by n plus 1. Okay, so it is very simple. So it is n plus 1 whole cube, and this can be written as minus 2. So it can be written as 2 2, and summation is also changed. N equals to 1 to infinity, so it is 2 to infinity hn divided by n whole cube. Okay, hn divided by n whole cube plus 2 into summation n equals to 1 to infinity, n equals to 1 to infinity minus 1 to the power n divided by n plus 1. So it can be written also another way, minus 1 to the power n. Okay, so minus 1 to the power n is missing, so minus 1 to the power n is n cube. So now friends, note, okay, summation n equals to 1 to infinity minus 1 whole to the power n hn divided by n cube equals to 2 li4 half, okay, minus 11 pi to the power 4 divided by 360 plus 7 by 4 zeta 3 ln2 minus pi square by 12 ln square 2 minus plus 1 by 12 ln to the power 4 ln 2 to the power 4. Okay, and another value, and this value, okay, and this value is equal to 7 pi to 7 pi to the power 4 divided by 120 minus 1. So this is my total values. Okay, so now capital B is equal to, I can write capital B equals to minus 11 pi to the power 4 360 60 plus 2. Okay, sorry, capital B is equal to, not it is capital I, so I can write equals to minus pi to the power 4 24. Okay, pi to the power 4 24 plus 4 li4 half plus 7 by 2 zeta 3 ln2 plus 1 by 6 ln to the power 4 2 minus pi cube by 6 ln square 2. Okay, so this is my total value of the B. Now I can write this integration is equal to I. Okay, so I values, So what is the value of I equals to, I can be written minus 11 pi to the power 4 360 plus 2 li plus 7 by 4 zeta 3 ln 2 ln 2 ln square 2. Okay, so friends, please check total work. Okay, so what is my work? Please check. I just, okay, so I hope you can see everything. Yeah, this is my total work, and my answer is not this is not my answer. My answer is, this is my answer. Okay, so I hope that it is clear for everyone, and please comment if you can't understand. Thanks for watching.